أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Inshallah ta'ala, today we are going to revise the verbs we have learned during those in level 1, 2 and 3. Inshallah, we would try to cover all, just briefly, all those levels that we have covered. So, okay, so in level 1 and level 2, this level is also called Sulasi Mujarrad, that the words in this have only 3 root letters. No? So in this we covered, in level 1 we covered Fataha, Daraba, Nasara, Samiya, Hasiba, Karuma, these chapters. And then we also discussed and we also studied that the Kara'a, Sa'ala can also be, you can say, you can fit into this Fataha also. No? Fataha, Yaftahu, Kara'a, Yakra'u, Sa'ala, Yas'alu, like Fataha, Yaftahu. So Bab Mahmuz we can fit in this in chapter in level 1 also. No? So we would be just doing Mazi, Mudare, Fa'il, Maf'ul and Masdar. No? Brother Farhan, are you with me? Can you do for Fataha this Mazi, Mudare, Fa'il, Maf'ul and Masdar?
Fataha, Yaftahu, Fatih, Maftu, Fath.
And what is the Amr for this?
Fatih.
Amr, Filul Amr.
Fil Amr. Iftah.
Iftah. What about Qara'a?
Qara'a, Yakra'u, Qari, Qari, and Maf'ul will be Makruh and Qira'ah.
Sa'ala?
Sa'ala would be Sa'ala, Yas'alu, Is'al, Sa'il, Mas'ul, Sawal.
What about Daraba?
So Daraba, Yadribu, Darib, Madrub, Darb.
What about Afaka?
Afaka,
Yafiku.
Yafuku, right?
Yafiku.
So
Daraba Yadribu.
Afaka, right.
So Afaka?
Afaka,
Yafiku.
Yafiku.
Yeah.
Yafik, Mafuk, and
Mafia.
Afik. Afik is 5.
Yeah, Afik.
Afik.
Yeah.
And Mafuk and Afk.
And what about Nasara?
So Nasara, Yansuru, Nasir, Mansur, or Nasr.
Yeah, Amara?
Amara, Yamuru, Amir, Ma'mur, Amr.
Amr. And what about Samia?
Samia, Yasma'u, Sami', Masmu', Sama'.
Amina?
Amina, Yamanu, Amin, Ma'mun, Am.
And Hasiba?
Hasiba, Yahsibu, Hasib, Mahsub, Hasb.
Good. Karuma?
Karuma, Karuma,
Yakrumu.
Yakrumu, Kareem, and
Doesn't have.
No, no maful.
no maful, right?
Yeah.
And
Karam.
Karam.
Karama.
Yeah. Karama.
Karama.
But Amuna?
Amuna. 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 Yamanu. No, that's Amina.
Amuna would be?
Ya'munu.
Ya'munu.
Ya'munu. Like
Yamunu.
Karuma Yakrumu Amuna Ya'munu.
Yamunu. Yamunu. Then it will be Ummun.
Amun would be Amar, yeah.
Amar. Ummun. And file would be Amin.
Amin, very good. Amin is the file. And no maful.
And master would be, and no maful. And master would be Amuna.
Amana. Amana.
Amana.
Amuna means? Amuna means?
Amuna means
He was?
He was trustworthy.
He was trustworthy. What about Amina? Amina means?
Amina means like Dyanadar.
He was safe.
He was safe.
Safe.
He also means he trusted somebody, no? He was safe. Safe. Okay, so this was the level 1 we covered. Then there were.
Why this Kara Sala is in first level? It is normally in Bab Mahmuz.
Yeah, that's why I told you that we try to put this in these level 1 because we wanted to decrease the number of levels, number of chapters. So we can fit in this level 1 also. No? Because they are similar, like Fataha Yaftahu, Qara Yakra'u. They follow the same pattern. No?
Okay.
Okay. The only difference comes when there is sometimes when there is like Amara comes, then when first person singular comes, then there is some difference. Like Amara Ya'muru, Ya'muruna, Ta'muruna, and the next word is not A'muru, it is Amuru. Amuru, no? That is the only small difference. Similarly, Amina, Ya'manu, and it would not be A'manu, it would be Amanu. Okay.
Dr. Khalid, let me make a comment. Can I make a comment?
Sure.
But if it is on the first level, it should be on the file pattern. It should be Aminu file because it's a file.
Amir like Nasir. Similarly, Amir. Nasir, Amir. File doesn't.
Okay, Zabar Pesh.
Sorry?
It will be like Zabar Pesh. Nasara Yansuru.
La Nasara Yansuru, Amara Ya'muru, yeah.
Ya'muru, okay.
Yeah, it's the same.
So it will be on this pattern.
Only, yeah. Yes, brother Raja.
Afaka means he lied, like fake in English.
Yeah. Yeah, so what is your question?
It's very similar, it's very close. Afaka and fake.
Yeah.
The word.
Yeah, you can say he lied, he turned away.
Like Camel and Jamal.
Yeah.
They are very close.
Yeah. So, brother Riza, you are there. So, can you do the Qala? Qala. So, this is Bab Ajwaf. Na? Qala, Khafa, Sara. These words are in Bab Ajwaf. Can you fit into this?
Sure. Qala يقول
Yeah.
um,
What is file?
قائل أقول قول.
Qawl. What would be the amr?
أمر is قل
قل.
يا أيها الكافر.
Good. Khafa?
خاف يخاف خائف مخوف
Mukhuf, yeah.
خوف.
Khawf. And Sara?
صار يسير سائر مسير and سير.
Where is Masir?
مسير is over اسم مفعول.
Maful? Yeah. Masir is Maful. Sair, Masir, and Sair is?
master.
Yeah. So this is Bab Ajwaf. What is the indication of Bab Ajwaf?
It has the aleph in between
Aleph
three words.
in the center, yeah. What about Massa? So Ba
Massa,
Mudaf. What is the indication of Ba Mudaf?
it has shadda on the last letter.
Good.
Massa, dalla.
So Massa means?
Massa means he touched.
Yeah. So can you do this short TPA for Massa?
Sure. Massa, yamassu,
Yeah.
emsas.
File. Yeah. Imsas. Yeah.
Emsas or emsas.
Imsas.
La, no. The maf'ul is, sorry, is
File.
massa.
What is file?
Massa.
Huh?
Massun.
No.
Masun.
Masun. Yeah.
Masun.
Yeah.
And mamsus.
Mamsus. And what is Masdar?
Mastar is mas.
Mas. And Dalla?
Dalla yadillu dalun.
Yeah.
No maful.
No maf'ul. Good. And what is Masdar?
And dalal.
Dalala. Dalala is the Masdar.
Dalala. Dalal.
What is Dalla means?
Dalla means he went astray.
He went astray. Good. Zwanna.
Dhanna.
Zwanna. Zwanna. Next.
Yeah. Dhanna yadunnu. Danu
Zanun. Yeah.
and Madnoon. Dhan.
Zan. Very good. So this is Bab.
This is Bab Muzaf, and Dhanna means he thought, he guessed.
He guessed. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Brother Riza. Thank you. So, Brother Asher, can you help us? Bab Misal?
Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah.
It's Bab Misal. Wahaba is Wahaba, Yahabu, and file is Wahib,
Yeah.
and Maf'ul is Mawhub,
Yeah.
Fail is Wahab.
Wahab. And next word is Wajada.
Wajada, Yajidu, Wajid, Mawjood, and Wujud.
Wujud or Wajd. Warisa.
Warisa is Warisa, Yarisu, Waris, Maurus, and Virasa.
Virasa or Virsa. Good.
And Waqa, Yaqi, and Waqin, and Waqin, Muqiyun, and
Mawqiyun.
Muqiyun,
Mawqiyun.
Mawqiyun, okay. Mawqiyun and Viqaya.
Viqaya. Viqaya. So you know what Waqa means?
Waqa means he saved.
He saved. So this is the special case, no?
Yes.
So the
Mu'ay.
special cases are colored differently. No? These are the names in red. The special cases are in dark brown. So next one is Bab Naqis. We studied. So in Bab Naqis, the words were Da'a, Hada, Sa'a, Khashiya. So can you do a shorty pay for Da'a?
Da'a yad'u, and
Da'a means
da'a means he
He called.
call.
call, yes.
Da'a yadu. And what is file?
File is da'in
Da'in. And maf'ul?
and mad'u. Da'in and mad'u and dua.
Mad'uun.
Mad'uun, okay. And Masdar is dua.
Dua. And Hada?
Hada yahdi,
Mhm.
Hadi.
hadi, and
Hadi.
Yeah.
Hadi Mahdi.
Mahdiyun.
mahdiyun and hidayah.
Sa'a.
Hidayah. Sorry? Sa'a yas'a.
And file?
Sa'a yas'a, and file is sa'in
Mhm.
and mas'iyun and sa'i.
Sa'yun.
Sa'yun.
Sa'in, mas'iyun. Sa'yun is.
Sa'yun.
What is the amr for this?
For sa'a,
Sa'a.
is'a.
Is'a. Very good. Next word is khashiya.
Khashiya yakhsha.
Khashiya means?
Khashiya means he feared.
He feared. Yeah.
Khashiya yakhsha, khashin, makhshiyun, and khashiya.
Khashiya. Very good. So this is Bab now. So these four chapters.
Uncle, can I do Bab Ajwaf?
Sorry?
Can I do Bab Ajwaf?
Who is it?
Burak.
Burak. So you can do Bab Taf'il. What is the indication of Bab Taf'il? So this Bab Taf'il, this is now level 3, na? Level 3 words we learned. Taf'il. So the first word, it is like fa'ala, yufa'ilu. Fa'il is mufa'il and maf'ul is mufa'al. And masdar is taf'il. So the words we learned was like allama, farraqa, baddala, kazzaba, kallama, karrama. So these fit into Bab Taf'il. Burak, if allama, what would be the masdar?
Ta'lim.
Ta'aleem. Yeah, allama. Allama means?
Allama means he taught.
He taught. So can you do Mazi allama and Mudare is?
Allama yuallimu. Muallim. Muallamun.
Muallamun or muallam.
ये निकालना पीछे से टॉवल
Ta'lim.
पूरा निकालना बाहर.
Ta'aleem. And what would be the amar here?
Amr.
Yeah.
Allim.
Allim. And nahi? Fil nahi. What would be fil nahi?
La tuallimu.
La tu'allim. Okay. So can you also do farraqa? Burak.
Okay.
Farraqa.
Farraka. Farraku.
No, mudare. What is mudare?
Farraka. Yafriku.
Yufarriqu.
Yufarriku. Mufarriku.
Mufarriq.
Mufarrik. Mufarraka. And tafriq.
Tafriq. Farraqa means?
He differentiated.
He differentiated. Very good. Good. Thank you. Brother Azhar, can you do Baddala?
بدل يبدل تبديل.
Baddil. What is file? What is a file?
مبدل المفعول is مبدل.
And what is Amr?
ابدل.
No, no.
بدل
Baddil.
بدل.
Baddil. And Kazzaba?
كذب يكذب تكذيب.
Mhm.
كذب أمر. مكذب فاعل المكذب مفعول.
Good. And Kazzaba means?
كذب mean he insulted.
No, no. Takzib. What is the master?
تكذيب.
Takzib. So he, takzib kana, he denied. Kazzaba, he denied. Karrama?
كرم يكرم تكريم.
What is file?
مكرم
Maful?
مكرم.
Mukarram. So karrama means?
He honored.
He honored somebody. Good. He honored somebody. Next word is walla. This is the special case. Wallah. So walla means?
He turned away.
He turned. He changed direction. Yeah, wallah. So can you do this short TPI for this? Wallah. What is mudari?
Valla yuvalli.
Yeah.
Amar is valli. File is muvalli. And maf'ul is muvalla.
Muvallin, muvallan.
Muvallin, muvallan. And tawliya.
Tawliya is the file, is the master. Very good. Thank you. Jazakallah khairan. Brother Arshad, can you take the Bab If'al? So in this, this is type 4, no? Bab If'al, Af'ala, Yuf'ilu, Muf'il, Muf'al. So masdar is If'al. So the masdars are the name of the chapters in level 3. So the representative word is Anzala. Anzala means?
He laid down.
Laid down?
No, sorry. It's from Inzal actually.
Inzal.
Yeah.
So what is Inzal?
Inzal is to come out or something.
To send down. Anzala is send down.
He sent, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes.
So can you do this small, this short TPI?
For Af'ala?
Anzala.
Anzala, Yunzilu, Munzilu, Munzil, Munzal, Inzal.
What is Amr?
Amr is Inzil.
No. Anzil.
Anzil.
What is Nahi?
La Tanzil.
Tunzil.
La Tunzil.
La Tunzil. So then we learned these 8 special cases for this.
Yes.
There are some other words we don't have much time, like aslama, arsala, anzara, ashraka. So these are some other words we learned. The same pattern like anzala. Then these are the special cases. Arada. Arada means? Arada means?
Yes. Arada. Can you please? I don't remember actually.
Rada kana, it is very too much used in your language.
Okay.
Arada.
Okay.
He intended.
Yes. To decide, to intend. Yes.
He intended, he wanted. Arada. So Arada, can you do the TPI for Arada?
Yuridu. Murid.
Murid.
Murad.
Murad.
And Irada.
Irada. Yes. And next word, Aujada. It is the next special case. Aujada. Mudare is?
Mudare is Yujidu.
Yujidu,
يجد موجد
mujid,
موجد
mujad,
إي-
and masdar,
إيجاد.
ijad,
Yes.
ijad. What next word is amana. Amana means
He saved. He protected.
no. What is the masdar? Amana.
Is Iman.
Iman.
Yes.
So iman means
To believe.
he believed. Yeah.
Yes. He believed.
Yeah. There is background noise actually.
Yeah, there is a noise brother.
Okay, so amana yu'minu. What is file?
Yeah, Mu'min.
Mu'min. And
Mu'min.
maf'ul?
Mu'man. Iman.
Iman. Thank you. Jazakallah khairan, brother Arshad. Brother Ikram, can you do awha?
Yeah, sure. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أوحى يوحي موخي موخيا and إيخا.
Mohiyun. It is muhin. Muhan.
Okay, موخن or إيخا.
Iha. And next is agana. Awha means, you know, awha means?
He revealed.
He revealed, he inspired. Next one is agana.
أغنى يغني مغنيا or إغنى.
Igna. And what you said file? What about agana? What is the file of agana?
مغني
Mughnin.
and
And maf'ul is?
مغنى.
Mughnan. Igna is the master. Next is ata.
آتى يؤتي مؤتن and إيتا.
Ita. Yeah. Next one is atamma. Ata means?
He brought.
He gave.
He gave. Sorry.
Atamma.
Atamma yutimmu mutimman and itmam.
Ara.
Ara yuri or ara yuri mar'iyun.
Murin.
Murin and Muran and Ira.
Ira. Can you also do this bab tafa'al?
Yeah. Tawakkala, yatawakkalu, mutawakkil, mutawakkal, and tawakkul.
Tawakkul. Tawakkala means?
He trusted.
He trusted. Ta'allama.
Ta'allama, yata'allamu, muta'allim, muta'allam, and ta'allum.
Ta'allam. And the special case was tawalla.
Tawalla.
Tawalla means?
Tawalla, he himself, he makes someone else turn away.
Yeah. Tawalla, he turned away, or it also means he made friend. He turned away or he made friend. Next chapter was tafa'ul. Like tafa'ala yatafa'alu, mutafa'il, mutafa'al, tafa'ul. Like tasa'ala.
Yeah.
It becomes tasa'ul.
Tasa'ul, yeah.
And the special case in this was tanada. Tanada.
Yeah.
And what would be the masdar for this? Tanada?
Tanada, yatanada, tanadin.
Tanadin or tanadiyun?
Tanadiyun, yeah.
Then was infi'al. Infi'al, in this chapter, the representative word was inqalaba. Inqalaba, yanqalibu. Inqalib, there is no maf'ul.
Yeah.
And inqilab.
Yeah.
And the special case was inshaqqa.
Yeah.
Inshaqqa, yanshaqu.
Inshiqaq.
Inshiqaq was the masdar. And then we learned bab ifti'al.
Yeah.
Representative word was ikhtalafa. Ikhtalafa, what would be the masdar?
Ikhtilaf.
Ikhtilaf. So the difference in infi'al and ifti'al is that in ifti'al there is maf'ul also. Na? In infi'al there is no maf'ul.
Yeah.
Okay. So then these were special cases like ihtada, yahtadi, ihtida,
Yeah.
then ittaqa, yattaqi, ittiqa, ikhtassa means he chose
he
exclusively. Ikhtassa, yakhtassu,
اختصاص
ikhtisas. What about ikhtara?
اختار يختار مختار or مختار and اختيار.
Ikhtiyar. Ikhtara means he chose. He chose from some bunch of people is ikhtara.
Yeah.
Whereas ikhtassa is he chose exclusively.
Yeah.
Then this was bab if'ilal.
Yeah.
It also doesn't have maf'ul.
Yeah.
Like ibiyadda means he was
He was red, white, sorry, yeah.
Ibiyadda, ibjidad is the masdar.
Yeah.
And then there was last chapter 10, that is bab istif'al. Istaghfara, yastaghfiru, istighfar. Mustaghfar is the file and maf'ul.
Yeah.
And we learned 3 special cases. Istajaba, what is the masdar? Jaba.
استجابة, yeah.
Istajaba, yastajibu, mustajib, mustajab, istijaba.
Yeah.
And then it was istaghna. Istaghna, what is mudare?
استغنى, يستغني,
Yeah.
and مستغنيا and
Mustaghnin, mustaghnan.
مستغنى and استغنى.
Istighna. And then istahaqqa. Istahaqqa means he deserved.
Yeah.
Istahaqqa, yastahiqu,
استحقاق.
istihqaq. So these were the special cases in level 10th in Bab Istif'al. Bab Istif'al. Then at the end we learned those level 4 2 chapters, Fil Rubai. These have 4 letters in their root. So Fa'alala was the first chapter. Fa'alala, Mufa'alilu, Mufa'alil, Mufa'alal, and Fa'alala. Like Waswasa, Yuvasvisu, Muvasvis, Muvasvas, Waswasa was the master. Waswasa means he whispered. And then last chapter was If'alalla. If'alalla, Yaf'alillu, Muf'alillun is the file. These If'alalla chapter is also consists of fil lazim. So in transitive verbs, so that is why it also doesn't have mostly maf'ul. Some people write it, but it is intransitive, so fil lazim. And if illal is the master, like itma'anna, yatma'innu, mutma'innun, and itmi'nan is the master.
Okay.
So these are the all the overview of all the verbs that we have learned so far. So you can use this template to figure it out also, which word is. So in this, the red indicates the name of the chapter, and the this dark brown is the special cases.
Special cases.
There are some special cases missing probably in level 2, but most of the special cases are also available here. So I think that's it. We are at time 6 minutes. Okay, so let's move on to our next part. So I would request Brother Shahbaz to conduct the next